Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our channel. Subscribe Passro and press the bell icon. We are doing birthday series. People who born on this day, kindly comment yes, I born on this day, or this is my birthday. So it will help people to find each other. We also wishes you happy birthday. I am be with my computer. Today we are going to see secret of facts about people born on this March.
29th. People of this month of birthday have a developed mind and an acute intuition. They are able to succeed in any area where they can demonstrate their intelligence, open-mindedness, and tact in dealing with people. From birth, those born under this month of birthday 29 have a serious outlook on life. They are usually self-contained and focused on themselves. They are wise, and people feel this wisdom. They have a huge potential of energy and a gift to inspire people. From a material point of view, they are lucky in life, and money do not matter to them much. People of this month of birthday 29 are interested in money, just because they can provide safety and security of existence in achieving personal goals. This people are characterized by their high moral principles. In disputes they lead a reasonable argument, and do not use any dishonest methods. Despite their sense of tact, when it comes to the important things, they speak boldly regardless of the social status of their opponents. People of this month of birthday are expressing themselves openly and directly. They are able to make the others feel their sincerity and determination. They may talk about many things, but anyway finally they will bring the conversation to the important subject. People of this month of birthday 29 are sociable, but very picky in acquaintances. They are trying not to communicate with those who are not interesting to them. The ability to feel other people makes them compassionate, kind and gentle. They love beauty and harmony. They have everything to achieve their glory and success. Work for the good of others brings them material and spiritual satisfaction. In their lives there may come a lot of situations to test their patience and determination. Depression and frustration may lead them to a defeat. Peace of mind and will, honesty and loyalty to their own ideas, will always lead to the victory over any circumstances. Emotional characteristics. These people are very ambitious and carry out their plans for life bravely. But the defeat for them is quite depressing. They are very smart and usually make a good academic career. Their capacity for administration and organization is phenomenal, and it is very effective. All this makes them lucky in life. They will stop at nothing to satisfy their ambitions, which are very large, and they will not be satisfied with the second place. These people have deep and long-lasting emotional attachments. But for their partners this relationship may not be very easy, because people of this month of birthday 29 sometimes are quite pliable and sometimes dominant. They have a lot of romantic feelings, the influence of this month of birthday too, and they need spiritual communion. Dreaminess gives their spiritual life a shade of stardust and moonlight, which further strengthens their attachment. They like to completely romanticize the object of adoration. It makes them deeply satisfied. These people are very sexy, but may sometimes suffer from a complex of this month of birthday too, and it causes them some difficulties in expressing their wishes. They may believe that their desire is a somewhat shame and showing it is a weakness. Therefore, their partner should lead. They do not need an aggressive partner, but he must be the first to express a wish. It is not very easy to live with this month of birthday 29, as it is built on contrasts. This people are quite dominant and always respected for the strength of their character. At the same time, they have the softness of this month of birthday too, which forces them to seek support. This is not a very strong feature, and it manifests itself only in the fact that they need encouragement. From one hand, the tendency to impose their will on others makes them unpopular. But from the other hand, their intelligence, practical thinking and determination is always bringing them the respect of others. These people must fight their desire to dominate. People of this month of birthday 29 like to be popular, and the dominant behaviors may not let them to reach it. They must also study to take the bad days right, to learn that nothing is really the end of the world. They are ambitious, and they should control their ambitions. They need to bite off only as much as they can eat. With their energy and initiative, they can achieve almost any goal. Their capabilities are seriously significant. Your intuition is the one to envy. You are a dreamer and have a visual type of mind. The information that comes to your mind is something extraordinary, out of this world. You look straight at the essence of things. You see what others want to hide. You can spend all day thinking about global things, philosophical ideas and matters, and in your thoughts you often want to catch those ideas and make them material, real. You are not a logical individual, but rather inspiring and intuitive. Your intuition brings you to the right conclusions. You operate by emotions, not by rational laws. Your inner feeling makes you emphatic. You feel the joys and sorrows of others. You can make a great counselor or psychologist, as you will intuitively find the best way to relieve the tension of an individual. People love your company and see your mature wisdom. Your love to harmony is caused by your calm observations of nature, which inspires you and motivates on different actions. You love to be in the center of attention and hear people complimenting your personality or appearance. Though you are touchy, it can make you understanding and strong leader. You are well bred, have a great taste, and know how to speak to others and persuade them. Your shortcomings deeply inside you realize that you have no power over your life, and that intuition and feelings are the only things that help you, but mostly you just follow the changeable stream of the life. You are quite mature by the age of early 30s, you become critical to yourself and expect too much. Your true potential will be hidden up to the second half of your 30s, and then you will fully understand your goal in life. Until that time you will be looking for sense in life, and this search can make you disappointed. You are too easy to become upset and exposed to rapid mood swings due to your empathy.